Welcome back. Um, Today, I wanted to talk to you about what's in this little bag here. I've recently discovered it. You know, here in the South, a lot of times you'll get warm days followed up by some cold days. And on those cold days, you'll get in your car to drive around and your tire pressure light will come on. So you're thinking, oh, well, now I got to go back to the house and I've got to charge up the compressor and air the tires, make sure I don't have a flat. So, guess what I have in the bag here? Yep, you guessed right. I have, this is a small air compressor, and it has a light, and it has the ability to inflate tires in pounds per square inch or other European metrics, which I'm not sure what they are, but I'll show you how that works. And I can air up my bicycle, I can air up my motorcycles, and I can air up my car. A lot of times when you're on the road and you look for an air pump, you find ones that are broken, or they don't work, or it costs $1, to get them to work for any period of time. So uh, I hope that you all enjoyed this because you could use one of these. It's very light. It takes care of the worry that you might have and the anxiety over tires being inflated. And this can inflate several tires. It also comes with some, uh, um, what's the word I'm looking for? Accessories. It comes with some accessories. You can plug it in your cigarette lighter and then reach all your tires if you're in your car. It has different ends that will do basketballs and footballs, and it has the hose that attaches directly to your tire, which makes it a lot easier if you're stuck somewhere um, to air up your tire. So uh, let's look at it and see what we find. Okay. Okay, guys, here I'm showing you the device and the accessories that come with the device. We have your air hose that is connected. It will connect to this end of the device by screwing it in right here. And then you have your other accessories for inflating various other devices up here. Okay. You have your cord here that plugs into your car cigarette lighter. And you have your cord here that is used to charge this device up if you're just operating off the lithium battery. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to turn it on when you've got it ready. Hold the button down in the middle and it'll charge up. And it's currently set for PSI. To change that, I would hit this bottom button, hold it, and it will go. It's changing up here to BAR, KPA. Not sure what these acronyms mean. Kilograms per centimeter, whoever uses that. And then back to PSI. Now, if you want to set a PSI and you want to set your amount you want to inflate, you can either go up or down. I'm sorry, there's the light. In case you get stranded somewhere and you need a light. That's the top button. You can have a flashing light if you're in distress. Turn it off, or you can use it as a flashlight. Okay. We'll turn that off. Now, if we want to set, we can either go up on poundage, PSI. For instance, my bicycle, takes 70 pounds. So I can set it on there and then hit the starter button. It will start. The motorcycles, depending on which one I have available, or the car, I usually run up to 30 pounds. I'll show you how that's done. So I guess I have to be connected. See, I'm learning with you. We're learning together. So currently it's set at 30 pounds. So I can go 31 pounds, 32 pounds. And then if I hit the center button, it's going to inflate the tire. So we'll move to a tire to show you how that works. Okay, here we're at the Moto Guzzi, and simply what you do is you take your air connecting device, and of course you hook it up to your gauge and press it down like so, and then start this up. And I want 32 pounds in the tire, so I'm going to hit the start button. It has 21 pounds in it right now. And then it shuts itself off. And you just simply lift this up, disconnect, put your valve stem back on, your valve cap on the stem, and you're good to go. Hope that was helpful for you. Alright folks, the next item we want to inflate is the bicycle tire. So we're going to turn it on, and we want to set the PSI to 65. And we're going to hook it up. Just going to push it on here. It's easier than this. You just have to keep it stable. We'll push it on there and push down on that little handle. And then we're going to tell it to pump up the tire. then you see it stops at 65 pounds. So we just undo the little flap, off it comes, put the valve cap back on, we're ready to go. Okay, so we got 31. We're going to hook her up, press it on, bend it down. There we go. Oh, goodness. Getting old. All right. So that took a little longer. Being a car tire, I'm not surprised. But hope you've gotten something out of this video. Go out and get you one of these. They're not that expensive. And then you won't have to worry about being stranded anywhere. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.